Hey YouTube, it's Alicia here, and I'm coming to do a makeup tutorial for you today. I wanted to do a fall bridal makeup tutorial and things and stuff. But before I get started, I wanted y'all to go to BET.com and check out this new documentary they are showing. Now I just got through watching it and it's very interesting. I think everybody would like it. It is called Exposing the Makeup Industry and the Disrepresentation representation of African American women daily. And when I watched this, when I first started watching it, I'm like, all right. And I watched it all the way through. This, to me, is a pretty good video. It's a pretty good video. So without further ado, let's get started. And this is also going to be a chit chat. And I'm going to be using the NYX HD makeup primer. So I'm going to try not to use too much, that much. And take it a little bit at a time and put it on my face. But I'm just gonna give y'all my insight on the makeup industry, and this is just how I feel about it. I love makeup. That's just me. I love makeup. And I love to show new products on my channel. It's a little white. This stuff is a little white. Might have to go back and change it up a bit. Pulling out my color corrector a bit because of my details of my thing about excuse me, not music, but the makeup industry is the following. I don't mind it. It's just me. I don't mind it. It's just sometimes you have to take the initiative with makeup and thing, and I like to try to find good products that enhance enhance my makeup. And the foundation I'm using is the Clinique Even Like Butter, and I have it in Sienna DN20, so you can see that and stuff. If you don't, I'll put it in the bottom, at the bottom. But one of my favorite foundations to use. But I mean, me in makeup is like I'm obsessed with it. I will admit. Not everybody, a black woman, has the same type of skin tone and stuff. Not skin tone or bad skin. And things, so yeah. There we go. Before I finish up, I need that. So the next thing is I'm fin to use is the L'Oreal Infallible Full Wearing Color Corrector in a Walnut 390, not 395, excuse me. So the next thing is I'm going to take my setting powder. I'm going to use a little bit of that. So I'm doing a double setting powder today. So we're going to do that. And we're going to go down the bridge. Okay, this thing. And that's the Maybelline Fit Me setting powder. Like I said, the Maybelline Fit Me loose setting powder. So we're gonna go in with also with the Black Radiance one. I like to double up. Sometime when I use the dark one, it just suits me like that. And I'm going to come down the bridge of my nose a bit. And we're gonna come under the eye. All right. All right. Now the next thing we're gonna do, we are fin to prime, and I mean prime my eyes. And we're going to use the Essence Cosmetics I Heart Backstage eyeshadow base. Alright. And stuff. So, yeah. Alright. So, the palette I'm using is the Premise Makeup Rosemary palette, 18 color palette. Beautiful colors. So those are the colors. So before we get started pretty well, we're going to, I'm going to come back with that one. Let's see. No, we're going to have to use, I'm going to have to use this. We're going to take this one and we're going to take this color, right? Wait, hold on. Let me do it this way. We're going to take this color right here and put it in first. So, yeah. So now we're going to take this brush and we're just going to okay. Then we're going to take this brush, this is the brush I was looking for, but we're going to, again, and we're going to take the color Tease right here. We got two transition colors. And alright. Then the next color, we're going to use this brush. And we're going to use Pie. We're going to use this color right here. And if you can see it on there, that's the color I want to use. And we're just going to alright, then for the last color, we're going to take the color Misty right here. Okay, we're going to blend it out. Alright. Then we're going to take this color here. And we're going to take the color Cream right here. And put it in my brown. Going to take this brush to blend it out. And there we go. We're actually through with the eyes. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to take this brush and we're going to take this powder and we're going to finish it off. Alright. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to take a soft highlight and we're going to use this brush here. And we're going to take my Wet n Wild in Cosmo and we're just going to dab it a little bit right in here. Y'all see that? And then we're going to take a little bit. There we go. Right there on the nose. Then the next thing we're going to do the blush. And we're going to do the Awesome LA Rouge, excuse me, y'all, blush. Okay. Then the next thing is we're going to go on and do my eyelashes. I don't wear and this is the LA Maybelline New York Greatest Lashes. But then I'm finna do my brows. The last thing I'm going to do, next to the last thing. And I'm going to use the Maybelline Tattoo. So I'm going to look down for a bit. Bear with me. And we have that in. And we're going to take this that came actually with it. I just keep it out. There you go. And just to finish it, we're gonna go in with Milani 69 Matte Beauty. And there you go. This is my interpretation of a beautiful, sultry, purple fall look. Hope y'all enjoyed it. I'm Alicia. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, comment below, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.